What's going on, guys? Ian here with another new video, and one that I'm really excited to bring you. Had I had this product 6 months ago, it would have saved me an absolute fortune. I'm talking about the tile sticker. Let's get into it. So some of you may or may not know, about 6 months ago I lost my drone while filming a vlog, and yeah, we couldn't find it. The battery died while it was coming back to home and it landed in a whole bunch of trees. Ultimately, because the battery was dead, the tracking on the app, I couldn't find it. So had the tile sticker been around back then and stuck to the drone, I would have been able to locate the drone and retrieve it. Instead, ultimately couldn't find it. I had to sort of write it off, put it down to experience and replace. So the tile sticker is the latest product from Tile, which is a Bluetooth tracker. If you haven't seen them, they do some absolutely incredible products. They do a range of trackers. If you're one of the people that lose their keys on a regular basis, you could put a tile on your keyring and track your keys. Tile products are absolutely fantastic. I really do like them. It's took me a long time to actually convince myself to buy them, but when I saw that the sticker was available, and to be fair, this product did pass me by, it's been around for a few months now, I had to get it. With this product, I'm definitely going to put in one on my drone. The tile sticker does come in a nice little 2-pack, so you get 2 stickers in there, and they're currently selling for about £30 for 2, and I think £55 for a 4-pack. So they're not going to break the bank. Now the tile sticker does have a range of 150 feet, which I believe is about 45 meters, supposedly waterproof, and it also doubles up. So if you lose your phone and you have a tile sticker to hand, you can actually ring from your sticker to your phone, and even if your phone is on silent, it will still ring. So they've put a lot of thought into this. I'm going to get these open in a second, but these are super small. They weigh 5 grams, so they're not really going to add any extra weight as such to any product that you stick it to. And from what I'm told, once these things are stuck, they are stuck. They're not coming off very easily. The first thing you see on the back, you've got a little pull tab there, so very, very easy to open. In fact, we'll just lift that up there and tear. So what do you get inside the box? Well, firstly, you have instructions. Then you have the tile stickers themselves. These things are tiny. So this is a little bit thicker than maybe I was expecting, but when you consider that inside there, Tile had to put a battery, and these things have a 3-year battery life, a loudspeaker, some sort of amplifier, and the Bluetooth receiver as well. And you consider that, it's actually not too bad. And if we hit this little button on the top here, that gives us an idea of what the sound quality is like on it. Again, not the loudest. I'm guessing that the volume is adjustable. As I said, these things have a range of about 150 feet, so you're looking at 45-ish meters. So that is pretty good. So I'm definitely going to put in one on my drone, because the other one I will probably put on my camera. Now, I've never ever lost that, but just because I haven't lost it in the past doesn't mean I ever won't mislay it. One thing I've just noticed, which is kind of cool, is that the L in Tile, that is the loudspeaker. So that is impressive. Before you can actually do anything with your Tile, you need to download the Tile app on your iPhone or Android, and that is very, very easy to do. Just literally on iOS, simply go to the App Store. On your Android phone, just go to the Google Play Store and you just search for Tile. The Tile app is pretty much the first thing you'll see. We need to link our Tile devices to the Tile app. Okay, so we're going to add our first tile. There's a tile sticker. So now it's to push the button and tap next. Looking for the tile sticker. So that is searching, activating tile. And it is that simple. It really is that simple. Okay, so choose a category. Double press the tile button will make your phone ring. Okay, so the first one we're going to set up is our drone. So we've already set it up on the phone. We're now going to stick it to the drone and see how stuck on that sticker really is. Okay, so I've got my tiny drone here, the DJI Spark. Very lovely little drone, although I do want to be upgrading this at some point shortly. So we're going to take the sticker off here and put this on our drone. Now, it does look quite big actually on the drone. I'm going to stick that down there, right in the middle of the drone. And that is well and truly stuck on. So the packaging of the tile sticker does say that it's waterproof. It doesn't say how waterproof it is. So I'm just going to go fill a jug of water, throw this in, leave it in for a while and see if it still works afterwards. So our tile's been submerged for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes now, and we're going to go and see if it's still working. So I'm on the app, I'm going to hit find, I've labelled this one camera, and if you can hear that, it is actually ringing while it's underwater. And the water does have an effect on it. It's only got 2 circles, so it is saying it's close. It's probably about 3 meters away from me, and yeah, I've only got 2 rings, so the water does affect the distance that it will register, but it is still working. So we'll get it out of the water and just check that it works when it dries off. Okay, so I did mention earlier in the video that Tile do offer some premium services, and for $2.99 a month you can get unlimited sharing of your Tile device with you and other users. You also get 3-year warranty. It extends the warranty to 3 years. You also get the battery replacement if you need it, and you also get premium customer service, as well as getting 30 days worth of location history. So if that's the sort of peace of mind that you want for $2.99 a month, it's hardly going to break the bank, and it does give you that peace of mind. So the tile sticker is a beautiful little piece of equipment. It's a very nice piece of technology. It's something that I wish I had a few months ago. I certainly will be expanding my tile catalogue at some point in the near future, because it is a great way of keeping track of things that you don't want to lose, whether that is keys, computers, your phone, anything you can think of that you could potentially attach one of these devices to or stick one of the stickers to. It's foolproof. You really can't go wrong. There's a massive tile community both in the UK and across the world, so if you do lose your item, the chances of you getting it back are extremely high. I really do think this is a very, very worthwhile piece of technology, and I really can't recommend it highly enough. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave in the comments down below whether you are a tile user, whether you actually have found any benefits in them, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to my channel or haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, push the little bell icon next to the subscribe button, that way you'll get notified when videos go live, and I'll see you really soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.